Thinking about homeschooling in Ontario but feeling overwhelmed? You are not alone, and the good news is that it is much simpler than you think. Many parents feel a mix of excitement and nerves when considering this path. It is a big decision, but you have the power to make it work. Whether you are looking for more flexibility or a better fit for your child, homeschooling offers a unique way to tailor their education. The best part is that in Ontario, homeschooling is completely legal, straightforward, and entirely parent-directed for your family. You do not need a formal teaching degree to succeed. You do not need government approval to start, and you certainly do not need to recreate a classroom. Let us break down the process step by step so you can feel confident and prepared to begin this rewarding journey at home. First, understand the basics. Homeschooling means you are taking full responsibility for your child's education instead of using public or private schools. This gives you the freedom to choose your own curriculum, set your own daily schedule, and decide the pace that works best for your child. You can explore full-time homeschooling, try unschooling, or use a mix of online programs and textbooks to keep things interesting. Don't forget the power of real-life learning. Field trips, community co-ops, and hands-on projects are all valid ways to help your child grow. There is no single right way to do this. That flexibility is your biggest win, but it does mean you should have a basic plan. Now, let us discuss the legal side of things. In Ontario, you are not required to register your homeschoolers with the government. However, if your child is currently enrolled in a school, it is a smart and professional move to notify them of your decision. Simply send a polite letter or email to the school administration. Keep it clear, concise, and professional to ensure a smooth transition. Include your child's full name, their current grade level, and the specific date you are withdrawing them from the school system. If your child has never been enrolled in a school, you typically do not need to notify anyone at all. You are free to start. If there are any existing child welfare or special education involvements, it is always wise to seek legal advice before making any changes. Before you spend money on materials, take a moment to decide what kind of homeschooler you want to be for your family. Ask yourself, do you prefer a structured approach with a set curriculum, or do you want something more flexible and child-led? Consider whether you want to teach every subject yourself, or if you would prefer to use online support to help lighten the load. Think about what your child actually needs to thrive. Every student is different, and your plan should reflect their unique personality. If you are just starting out, do not overcomplicate the process. Pick one method that feels manageable for the first few months. You can always adjust your approach later as you learn more about what works for your household. Start simple to avoid burnout. Now, let us get practical about choosing a curriculum. Ontario does not mandate one official provincial plan for homeschoolers. This means you have a world of options. You can use purchased curricula, free online resources, or even library books. Educational apps, local classes, and your own custom-made plans are all excellent ways to cover the subjects your child needs. For younger children, focus on the fundamentals like reading, writing, and math, while keeping science exploration fun and hands-on. For older students, balance core subjects with life skills and electives. If high school is approaching, look into credit planning. Remember the golden rule. Choose resources that help you teach consistently rather than searching for the perfect curriculum. The best curriculum is the one you will actually use. Don't get stuck in the trap of trying to find the absolute best one. Next, build a daily rhythm. Avoid a rigid school schedule that feels like a prison. Instead, create a flow that fits your life. Decide when learning happens. Maybe start your day with morning reading and math, followed by some outdoor time or movement. Afternoons can be for science projects or creative writing. Evenings are perfect for reading aloud together as a family. You do not need 6 hours of desk work. You do not need bells or strict periods. You just need consistency to keep moving forward. Remember that homeschooling happens all day long. Cooking is math, grocery shopping is budgeting, and a walk is science. A predictable rhythm helps kids feel secure and helps parents avoid the stress of trying to do too much at once. Even though Ontario does not require formal registration, Keeping simple records is a very good idea for your own organization. Keeping track helps if your child ever returns to school later. It also gives you confidence that learning is truly happening. Keep a list of subjects covered, some samples of work, reading lists, and notes about your child's progress and goals. This does not need to be fancy. A simple binder, a spreadsheet, or a folder on your computer will work perfectly. Even taking photos of projects or artwork can serve as a great record. The goal is to document learning, not create stress. Next, remember that you do not have to do this alone. Connecting with others is a vital part of the process. Look for local homeschool groups, community centers, or library programs. These are great places to find like-minded families. Online Ontario homeschool communities are also fantastic resources for asking questions and sharing experiences with others. Sports teams and extracurricular activities provide social opportunities that are essential for your child's development and happiness. Support matters because homeschooling is much easier when you have people to talk to and share your journey with. When you connect with other families, you realize you are not the only one figuring it out as you go along. If your child has learning differences, ADHD, or autism, homeschooling offers the flexibility to build an education around their needs. Think about what helps your child focus and what might cause them stress. Use that knowledge to create a supportive environment. You may want to speak with professionals for assessments or therapy support. Homeschooling is about getting the right help. It means building an education around your child instead of forcing them into a system that may not be a good fit. Finally, start small and adjust as you go. Do not try to do everything on day one. It is a marathon, not a sprint. Maybe start with reading every day, math 4 days a week, and one science activity. That is plenty to begin with. Once you see what works and what doesn't, you can adjust. Homeschooling is not about getting it perfect from the start. It is about building something sustainable. If one method fails, change it. If a subject takes longer, just slow down. If your child learns better through games or movement, use that to your advantage. Flexibility is your true superpower. To recap, it is legal. Notify the school, pick your style, choose resources, create a rhythm, keep records, and find your community. There is no giant bureaucracy here. No perfect setup is required. Just take it one step at a time and stay consistent. You are more than capable of providing a wonderful, personalized learning experience for your child at home. If this helped you feel more confident, hit like and subscribe for more. Drop your biggest question in the comments below.